In today's review, we're diving into Mode, a business analytics platform that focuses on data visualization, collaboration, and analytics for teams. Mode positions itself as a solution for companies that need to get insights from their data, and it offers some great features. Let's take a look. When you first log into Mode, you're greeted by a clean and intuitive interface, making it easy to get started. The platform allows you to pull in data from multiple sources and create custom dashboards with ease. For data professionals, Mode supports SQL-based queries and allows for advanced data manipulation, which is great for anyone who's familiar with database querying. The real-time collaboration features stand out. You can share dashboards and reports with team members, add comments directly on data visualizations, and work together in real time, which really helps improve team productivity and decision-making. On the downside, the platform can feel a bit overwhelming for beginners. If you're not familiar with SQL or don't have an analytical background, it can take some time to get used to. However, for teams that have data analysts and need complex data exploration capabilities, Mode does a fantastic job. One of the standout features is its ability to handle large datasets and deliver fast, responsive reports. Mode also has robust integrations with other data platforms like Google BigQuery, Snowflake, and Redshift, making it easy to incorporate it into an existing data stack. Not sure how to avoid draining your wallet on gifts? I used to face that problem too, until I discovered Givemeo, where you can get cash back on your purchases and keep surprising your loved ones without breaking the bank. Click the link in the description. Overall, I think Mode is a great tool for teams with a strong data focus, but it may not be the best choice for those just starting with business analytics. It's powerful, but it comes with a bit of a learning curve. If you have a dedicated data team, or if you're looking for a platform that can scale with your business analytics needs, Mode is definitely worth considering. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more insights on the best business tools out there.